Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering originals, your Aadhaar, marriage certificate or husband's Aadhaar as relationship proof, and a supporting address proof. Once done, book an appointment at the nearest Aadhaar Seva Kendra or registrar center to avoid long queues. At the center, present originals and copies. The agent will verify identity and relationship. Make sure to carry a valid photo ID and one recent passport photo if the center asks. This kicks off the formal update request immediately. Next, complete the Aadhaar update/correction form at the counter, explicitly entering your husband's name exactly as shown in supporting documents and the new address. Once done, hand over originals. The operator will scan and upload proofs to the UID system and capture biometric or photo if required. You will pay the nominal update fee and receive an acknowledgement slip containing a URN. That URN is critical. It tracks your request and lets you check status online or by phone. Finally, use the URN to track the change status on the UID portal or call the helpline. Processing can take several days to weeks. Once approved, download the updated Aadhaar PDF and verify the husband name and address. If the request is rejected, the slip will state why. Make sure to fix that specific document or entry and resubmit at the center with corrected proofs. Keep the acknowledgement safe, and then update linked services like bank or PAN after the Aadhaar shows the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.